What's good, everyone? This is Double Up with Astro, and I would like to thank y'all for watching this video. If you want a easy way and a marketing strategy to make money online, this is one of the best opportunities that you can get into. And this opportunity is called textbot AI. It's a virtual assistant marketing system where you can send out text messages to your leads that come through your funnel or wherever marketing platform which way you have it. You know what I'm saying? So textbot AI now, when it comes down to SMS marketing and versus email marketing, SMS marketing has a 95 to 98% open rate, and within email marketing it's a 20 to between 15 to 20% marketing open rate, which means that more people be more on their cell phones, on their mobile devices, and studies have proven that more people be into their cell phones and answer their cell phones more quicker than an email text message. So if you really put your mind and think about that here, people really, if you want to get those leads and get those eyeballs, SMS marketing will be a very, very good strategy to get more eyeballs on your opportunity. And that's what textbot AI has to offer you guys. Ava, it's a virtual assistant. It's a pretty much a chat box that will talk to your leads, where you don't have to bother any friends or family. You don't have to talk to any of them. Ava pretty much will do all the selling and telling for you. And your leads will be going right here in the back office, and then Ava will talk right directly to them that comes in. And so as you can see back here in the back office, this is where your chats will be at. Once they text whatever you want them to text, Ava will continue the conversation, and also it'll do whatever you have set up. It'll show your primary business. That way you can, Ava will be able to capture those leads for you. Also, you can have custom keywords where you can be able to have whatever your leads text a certain keyword that you have set up. You can have Ava text out that one message that's directed to that keyword. So that's something that's very, very useful that you can do too. And like I said, this is all within this whole setup, and this is the basic package, so that's very, very good. And this is one of my best things that I do like on here. Best features is the ongoing training. They have live trainings where it can help you guys with your marketing and anything that you want to know with the program. It'll help you take you step-by-step guides where they have webinars with a lot of people. They talk about the program and how it operates, what you can really do with it. Very, very good online training. This is something that you can really use. I used this myself for quite a while, quite some time. And yeah, you also have you can get into the Facebook group if you have any types of concerns, any questions that you would like to know. Support will definitely get in touch with you guys very, very fast and really quickly to answer your question with the Facebook group of textbot AI. They have marketing resources, like email swipes, solo ad copies, certain post images, like I said, very, very useful. And it's just something that you want to be able to get into your marketing strategy. Use SMS marketing. You could be able to promote your primary business, whatever biz app that you in. You could definitely use this platform to make sales and get leads and make sales. So now that's something with this text bot. I got more strategies upcoming for this particular program. Make sure you like and subscribe to this channel. If you would like to get started with me today, the link in the description will be below. If you start with me, I will make sure that I get you some ongoing training, marketing tips and strategies that I do to market this particular opportunity. I also got free ways that I use where you don't have to pay for any promotion to get this, eyeballs to your opportunity. So that's pretty much the update of the textbot AI. I will have more videos on this particular program for you guys. If you need, you can leave your comments below, and I'll make sure that I get those out to you. All right, this is Double Up with Astro. See you on the next video.